Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to share with you your subconscious mind. And do you know your subconscious mind? If you don't know your subconscious mind, how the subconscious mind works, and then sometime we don't know how to work around our goals because we're not getting the result according to what we want. So we have to know our mind. If we don't know our mind, this is the reason we are not achieving our goals. So once you know how your subconscious mind works, then you will understand how the mind works. So this is what I learned from my mentor Bob Proctor. Okay, let me introduce myself first, then I will start talking about the subconscious mind. My name is Anita Bansal. I am consultant of thinking into result. My mentor is Bob Proctor, and from this is what I learned from my mentor Bob Proctor. Everything works according to the mind and the universal laws. So it works together. So we have to know our universal laws, and then we have to know how the mind works. And this is what I learned from my mentor Bob Proctor, how the mind works. So today I'm going to talk about the what is the subconscious mind. So this is what I'm going to talk about. So let's start sharing the slides with you, then I will start talking about it. Okay, welcome to Proctor Gallagher Consultant Facilitation Training, and today's lesson is about subconscious mind. So subconscious mind. So what is a subconscious mind? So we have to understand our subconscious mind. My mentor Bob Proctor, he taught about this mind all around the world more than 60 years because it worked. So you have to know your mind, and this is the reason he taught all around the world. You name it, the airlines, the business, the jobs, or whatever. He shared this information all around the world because it worked and is still working. So the subconscious mind, we have to understand our own mind first. If our own mind, we don't know how the mind works, and this is the reason we are stuck. This is the reason, even though we got a lot of knowledge in intellectually, but things are still not working for us. So what is the reason? So the reason is about we have to know our subconscious mind. So what is the subconscious mind? So we have to understand that. Just imagine that in your mind there is a two part of our mind. Just imagine that there's a circle and make it two part of it. The top part is a conscious mind, the bottom part is a subconscious mind. So what is a subconscious mind? Subconscious mind is where our the formation is stored. So the formation is stored since we were child. So it's like a hard drive, like we got the computer, and all the files are stored in a hard drive. And this is how what the subconscious mind is. It records all the information. So whatever the information happening around the TV, the environment, the people, the friends, or whatever is happening around, all the information going into your conscious mind, and whatever is stored there and be operating through we are attracting through that information. So let's talk about that first. When we were little as a child, uh, when the child is small, and the information goes right in the subconscious mind, because the subconscious mind is wide open when is a child, and they cannot make the choice. And whatever is happening around the child as is growing, and everything going in their subconscious mind. So because they cannot stop the information coming in, and everything goes in their subconscious mind. So when we grow up, and then we have intellect as we can make the choice whether we're gonna let the information come in, or we don't want to. So we have the choice. But then again, subconscious cannot do that. So whatever is happening around us as a TV or the environment, family, friends, that information, all information going in your subconscious mind, because subconscious, you cannot stop information coming in. So whatever is happening around, even though you don't like it, the information is really not good for you and it's not going to help you, but still going in your subconscious mind. So this is the reason all the information is there. And subconscious mind is your emotion mind, how you feel. From the feeling, you attract everything in your life. Even intellectually, you know it, what is right, what is not. But how you feel about yourself, that's what you're attracting. So this is the reason you're not seeing the result around your goals, because of your subconscious mind. All the information is there, which you don't even need that, and then you're still attracting things according to, because the information still going in your subconscious mind, and then information is still there when you were a child. So subconscious cannot stop coming the information in the subconscious mind. So that is what subconscious mind. So from thinking to result, I learned from Bob Proctor, whatever the beliefs we have around, like as a family, friends, or whatever, we overheard it, and all the beliefs are still there. So imagine that if you wants to attract abundance in your life, and if your beliefs are in your subconscious mind, not is a lack, and then that's what the belief you're going to believe, and that's what you're going to attract, because it's still, that belief is still there as a lack. And this is the reason you're attracting the same situations or whatever the environment you are attracting, because of whatever the beliefs still holding in your subconscious mind. And so let me share the lesson from thinking to result. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I learned from my mentor Bob Proctor, doing the thinking to result beliefs. So whatever the beliefs we are holding in the subconscious mind, and that's what we're gonna attract, how we feel about that as a beliefs, and that's what we're gonna attract. So everything in our subconscious mind. So how we can change that, and whatever we don't want, and because it's in the subconscious mind, and we are attracting everything what's in the subconscious mind, and even intellectually we know it's not right, but then still we cannot stop attracting the things. So what we have to do to change it, we have to override on the subconscious mind. This is what I learned from Bob Proctor, my mentor. Even though it doesn't matter how much your information gathering in your intellectually, but if your subconscious not change, nothing going to change. This is the truth. People are just gathering the information intellectually, consciously, but they are not aware of it, why things are not working for them. The reason is the information in your subconscious mind, and is still there, which is not working for you, is working against of you. And this is what you are attracting from your subconscious mind, because law of vibration, you attract everything according to how you feel. If your feelings are attached to your beliefs, whatever you beliefs are not according to what you want, and this is the reason things are not working for you. So to change that, you have to change the beliefs. You have to take 1 or 2 beliefs. First, you have to write down what is not working on a piece of paper, and then on polar opposite, you have to write down whatever the situation not working, you have to write down in a positive what information you would like to be working for you as your goals, as in the positive. So you have to start with, I'm so happy and grateful to know that I'm healthy. So that's your statement gonna be. So if you're not healthy, that's it's gonna be negative. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm not healthy. So this is a negative statement. And then positive gonna be a, I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm healthy. So the positive statement going to start with, I am so happy and grateful now that. But negative statement, you can just write it down, whatever is not working for you is in a negative part. So what you have to do now, take a negative piece of paper and tear it or burn it. Release that energies because it's not serving you. And then now take the positive piece of paper and start affirming it, record it, or start writing it. My mentor Bob would have told you to do, write down 100 times in the morning, 100 times in the evening for 100 days. To change something is just like planting the seeds. Then you have to water them, you have to fertilize them, then the seeds going to start to grow, and there's a gestation period of time. So just working around any information is gonna take a time to go in your subconscious mind, to override your paradigm is definitely going to take time. And just give some time and you're gonna see the change. So you might not see the change straight away, but eventually it's changing. Okay, so that you just, because you swapping the energy to energy, and things are going to change. So I think that's all I wanted to talk about subconscious mind. Subconscious mind, you're attracting everything according to, and this is the reason you have to watch your environment, the people, the friends, or whatever uh, the environment you want. So you have to make the mind up, choose your environment is very important. Watching the news whole day is not going to help you. So you have to make the decision what environment you want to live. Okay, I think that's all for the lesson today. So hopefully you know how your subconscious mind works and what is the subconscious mind. And once you know how what is the subconscious mind and how the subconscious mind works, and then you can start working for your favor around your goals. So if you like the YouTube, please give a thumbs up. And if you would like to further information, inbox me, send me the message. Let's book online, ask all your questions. And if you're interested to do a training as a thinking to result, so thinking to result going to show you how to set your personal goals, professional goals, and of course show you how what is it as your purpose, show you how to find your purpose also. And thinking result going to help you to achieve your goals also. And thinking into result is all about achieving your goals. And hopefully this lesson going to help you. This lesson I shared with you is from the lesson I have learned, thinking to result, from Bob Proctor, my mentor. And this information is coming direct from my mentor. All I'm doing just facilitating this lesson. And so I have shared what I have learned from my mentor Bob Proctor. And hopefully you're going to take the action, do the worksheet. And repetition is the key. This is what I learned from my mentor. It's not doing just once, you have to do that every single day for 100 days, and definitely you're going to see the change. So hopefully you know how to reprogramming your subconscious mind and what is a subconscious mind. Hopefully this lesson going to help you, and have a great day. And thank you for watching the YouTube and letting me share the information with you. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye.